In this video, I'm going to compare YouTube TV and DIRECTV in terms of pricing and features, so you can decide which service is the best fit for your live TV streaming needs. Let's get started. Both platforms offer live TV, on-demand content, and additional perks, but they cater to slightly different audiences and preferences. Pricing YouTube TV. As of now, YouTube TV costs $72.99 per month, subject to change, and includes access to over 100 live channels, unlimited cloud DVR storage, and up to 3 simultaneous streams. There are no hidden fees or contracts, and regional sports packages like HBO Max or Showtime can be added as optional extras. DIRECTV. DIRECTV offers a range of plans depending on your needs. The basic entertainment plan starts at around $69.99 per month, which includes over 145 channels, but higher-tier plans, like Choice or Ultimate, can cost significantly more. DIRECTV also requires a longer-term commitment and may include equipment fees or installation charges, making it pricier overall compared to YouTube TV features. YouTube TV offers a modern, app-based experience with seamless integration across devices like smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. Includes unlimited cloud DVR storage with recordings saved for up to 9 months. Supports 3 simultaneous streams, or more with an additional fee. Tailored for cord cutters who want flexibility, no contracts, and easy access to local and national channels. DIRECTV provides a traditional satellite TV experience with access to hundreds of channels, including premium networks like HBO, Starz, and NFL Sunday Ticket. Offers a robust DVR system, Genie HD DVR, but storage is limited to 200 hours unless you upgrade. Allows up to 20 simultaneous streams with its Streaming Max package, making it ideal for large households. Requires professional installation and a satellite dish, which may not appeal to those seeking a minimalist setup. Content YouTube TV focuses on live TV from major networks, ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, etc., and offers a streamlined selection of popular channels. It's great for sports fans, news junkies, and families who prioritize simplicity. DIRECTV offers a broader channel lineup, including international channels, pay-per-view events, and exclusive sports packages like NFL Sunday Ticket. It's better suited for viewers who want a wide variety of niche or specialty programming. Flexibility. YouTube TV, completely contract-free and accessible anywhere in the U.S., making it perfect for travelers or renters. DIRECTV requires a long-term commitment and physical installation, which may not be ideal for people who move frequently or prefer a wireless solution. Final thoughts. If you value flexibility, modern features, and a straightforward price, YouTube TV is likely the better choice. However, if you want a massive channel lineup, advanced sports packages, and don't mind the commitment, DIRECTV might be worth considering. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more comparisons and tips on streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helps you choose between YouTube TV and DIRECTV. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.